What's going on, guys? This is Drew with Drew Drives at Grubbs Family Dealerships, and today we're going for a drive in this 2024 Hyundai Santa Fe SEL. This vehicle has a 2.5 liter turbocharged inline 4-cylinder with 277 horsepower and 311 pound-feet of torque with an 8-speed automatic transmission. So this generation of the Santa Fe has been very popular, especially with this new interior. Very nice layout and looks really premium. I have a video on the calligraphy, on the 2024 calligraphy, if you want to check that out. But I'm excited to get my hands on the SEL, which is a more affordable trim level and more popular trim level because of the price point. Nice little storage up there. You have heated seats in this car, leather seats as well. The seats feel pretty comfortable and they look good too. I like how you have USB-C charging ports on the side. Full digital gauge cluster, of course. This whole thing is digital. And you have this cool looking steering wheel. Good resolution reverse camera. It is not 360 though. And this one does not have a sunroof, but I believe sunroof is an option. You do have wireless chargers right there, and I love the placement for it. It is a great place to... I just love the layout of the center console. It's great. You have a bunch of space down there. You have the wireless chargers, and everything just works. It's just a really good layout. And even the center console has very nice storage. But let's walk around this car, see what it looks like. Feels good to not have a very hot day. Typically I've been filming my videos in the heat, but today it's like a little rainy, so it feels a lot nicer. The exterior is finished in Hampton gray, very nice color. And I like how the headlights say H. That's pretty cool. I like the boxy design of this SUV. Definitely looks really cool. Looks a lot better than the older Santa Fe overall. I'm not... The back of the car is definitely polarizing, but overall I like the shape of the vehicle. Here are the rear seats. And I love how you have cup holders in the doors. That's awesome. So yeah, and the taillights are really low. That's just something that's been polarizing, but I do like the overall boxy look of it. You have single outlet exhaust, and even the taillights say H on them too. Hyundai likes to do incorporate their logos throughout the car. It's a 3-row SUV, so that's cool. I like those roof rails too. Yeah, this is a nice car. Yeah, the gear shifter is stationary. It just has like this little switch thing to change your drive mode. But let's get it out on the road now. Let me try sport. Definitely a little bit of torque steer. Yeah, definitely in the rain it gets a little bit squirrely. This is front wheel drive. But overall the ride feels smooth. As I said, the seat feels really comfortable. And ride height's great, visibility is good too. And this new Hyundai logo, just like the line with the 4 dots. So yeah, obviously you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and it looks like, so it has wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, or you could use the wired setup using this little USB-C port right there, and you can also charge your phone with that other USB-C port. But as I said, this wireless charging tray setup is one of my favorite parts of the interior. I think it's great. What that's for. But overall, nice Hyundai Santa Fe SEL right here. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for nice Hyundai Santa Fe's like this one.